Hey guys, it's Brandon Adkins, back to show you the rest of the parts that you didn't get to see broken in our Break It with Brandon webinar. Let's check out some clips. We've got some impact plates, and you might have seen a video from Markforged a while back where they had a similar design. We're going to test out some Kevlar reinforcement. So we've got one version of this guy with just onyx, and the second version we've got some Kevlar reinforcement in a concentric fashion. Let's see how it works out. Let's grab us a hammer here. Okay, onyx and Kevlar. Easy. This thing's toast. Kevlar. Now, looks like we're gonna break this thing eventually, but holds up a little bit better. Didn't break right away anyway. So if you've got any applications where you need a significant resistance to impact, Kevlar is going to get you a little bit further. The ice scraper. This is printed in just onyx. I made it a little bit thin, and I saw a fun design like this out on the internet and wanted to give it a try. Now my windshield is not frosty right now, but we got us a nice block of ice over here. We'll see how it holds up. I can see where that would work, especially on stuff like that. It actually scrapes pretty good. We're gonna break it anyway. Let's see how this works out. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. I love it.
You can still use that.
I could. If you missed the webinar, be sure to click here to go check it out. And if you'd like to learn more about all of our additive solutions here at Hawk Ridge Systems, follow the link down below.